Percy wasn't busy at all, so he puffed perkily to Brendam Docks. Percy wheeshed and whooshed with a whistle and a whoop. He was very happy to see all his friends.
Hello, Emily. Would you like to play with me?
Hello, Percy. I'm far too busy to play. I have these crates to deliver.
Emily rattled away.
It's bound to be more sand.
But it wasn't more sand.
Bust my buffers! Wow!
Emily had to take a giant model of the world to the animal park.
This is the most exciting delivery I've ever had. I can't wait to show the other engines.
I am the strongest and most useful tank engine on the island.
Then you'll have no trouble collecting scrap metal, Samson.
Oh, yes, sir. Of course not, sir.
Sodor must be kept clean and tidy at all times.
Yes, sir. Will do, sir. Born for this job, sir. Get the scrap, clear the tracks, clean the whole island.
Samson, the main line's the other way.
Knew that, Harvey. Come on.
I don't believe it! Cooey! Hello!
Hello,
Duck! Hello, Slippies!
Do you mean to say you know these slip coaches, Duck?
Of course! I used to pull them on the Great Western Railway.
Thanks to Duck and the slip coaches, everyone reached their destinations on time.